You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. In English, they are what's called homophones, meaning they have the exact same pronunciation despite having different meanings and different spellings, of course. So, let's hear how they are pronounced and what they each mean. Roll is how you pronounce them. English pronunciation, how to pronounce. Roll. The top word is a role that you may have in a movie or a play. Roll. And the bottom word is the verb to roll, as in a ball rolls on the ground. Roll. To roll, or rock and roll. Did you hear this pronunciation? They're both pronounced exactly the same way, is what you need to remember. Roll. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.